Hey guys, today is episode 1 of an untitled video series featuring me and my brother Mark. We're gonna be showing you what we do during the pandemic, and today we'll be cooking chocolate chip cookies. The recipe we'll be following is from Tasty. The video is right here if you want to check it out. Let's get started.
So on your screen right now, you'll see the Tasty recipe. It'll take around 56 minutes, but it took a little longer for us.
Okay, so we sifted together the two types of flour, the salt, and the baking soda. Then set it aside.
So the next step is melting the butter, which is probably the most important part of this recipe. What you want to do is get a medium saucepan and melt your butter there. You'd like to stir constantly so that it browns evenly. The butter does tend to foam over, so just be careful and keep a watchful eye on it.
Once the butter has turned into a nice nutty brown, I want you to remove that from the heat and pour it into a large liquid measuring cup to stop the cooking. Now you're gonna want to cool down the butter for around 2 minutes. Then you're gonna add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water so that it will bring it back up to 1 cup. Now after adding the water, you're gonna set that aside to cool to room temp.
So for the next step, grab a large bowl and add the sugars, vanilla, espresso powder, and melted butter together. Cream it until it is light and fluffy, as you can see here.
Okay, now put the dry ingredients into the mixture and make sure to mix it well. We put it in part by part, and I suggest you guys do that too. So after that, we added the chocolate chips into the mixture and we made sure to fold it in. We also chopped up a chocolate bar and added that into the mixture.
So all we had to do now is to basically place the dough into a baking sheet so we can place it in the oven. Please don't forget to preheat your oven beforehand as well. We bake the cookies in the oven for around 12 to 14 minutes.
And then you're done! You did it!
Hey guys, so we just cooked our cookies from Tasty. I have to say that the cookies are really flavorful and very chocolatey. But I think the butter is a little too much, which is something you might like if you're really into that, but that's a little too much butter for my taste. Oh yeah, and the chocolate that we use is not the one similar to Tasty. Ours was more nougat based, so I think that's why we had the more crumbly, soft, more delicate kind of cookie.
Here we go with another batch.
Where do I put it, man? Here. So using this recipe, you can bake around 18 cookies. We have a little less here because we ate some of them already.
So guys, we finished our cookies and I hope that when you make them, you liked it as much as we do.
Thanks for joining us and watching our baking journey today. And hope you catch the next episode of this untitled series. We still don't know what it is yet, but yeah, let's go 2020.